another lawyer who will talk to us, Jeff.
My name is Sammy Oberi. We have been called by our client that he is threatened, his life is in danger because of the aspect that the police are coming to arrest him in the night. Now, for starters, there is a procedure that is followed when police officers investigate or are having a person of interest to investigate. They summon that person to a police station and do what we call a statement under inquiry, where they have to state that they have reason to believe that this officer or the person of interest is involved in commission of a crime which they declare. At that time, then they ask this person to state that which he knows about the investigations that they are conducting. But in this instance, from 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we have been told their police officers are coming. What they are coming to do is what we don't know. They have not declared what they want or what interest they have in Dr. Matiang'i. Remember, Dr. Matiang'i was in charge